Hi, today we're going to unbox the i1Pro3 Plus. We've got three models of the new i1Pro3 Plus here. The i1 Photo Pro 3 Plus, the i1 Basic Pro 3 Plus, and the i1 Publish Pro 3 Plus. We're going to open up an i1 Publish Pro 3 Plus. All right, so I'll unzip the shipping case. The shipping case has two sides to it. One side with the product itself in it, the i1 Pro 3 Plus, calibration plaque, ambient diffuser in a storage case, polarizing filter in a storage case, the targeting aid for the i1 Pro 3 Plus, which snaps into the bottom here and lets you select your spot to measure when you're doing spot measurements. The display holder for the i1 Pro 3 Plus, which plugs in and allows you to hang it over a display for monitor calibration. The tripod holder or beamer, which allows the device to be mounted on a tripod with a 1/4-20 thread if necessary, or just sit it on a table. Also in the case is a software download sheet. The software download sheet tells you where to download the latest version of i1 Profiler software. There's a quick start guide and manual. Also included are some additional little helpers here. There's a color checker classic, color checker proof to be used with the OBC mask, and an OBC mask. On the other side of the case, stored the certificate of conformance or performance for the device, as well as an ISO compliant white backer. The white backer board's what you use when you're scanning targets with the i1 Pro 3 Plus. This is a really nice backer. With it are embedded magnets that allow these steel guide plates to stick to the backer board that will hold your samples in place. Also, the XL ruler, the large ruler that comes with the Pro 3 Plus, is included in the case. And if you're going to scan a target right now, you just put your Pro 3 Plus right on the ruler with your target underneath and scan away. That's it. That's everything that comes in the box with the i1 Pro 3 Plus.